Alright, Ben here with Pierre driving school. Gonna do left and right. Few driving tips for student, as well as advanced driver as well. Okay, we're making a right turn at the corner here. Full stop. Second stop. All right, shoulder right. Traffic is clear. All right. Car double park on my right side, signal my instant to the left. So it's clear, mirror left, shoulder left, paying good attention here. See this guy coming up? Let me go back to my lane. Always expected, unexpected, folks. See this guy pulled up on me? Yellow light, not for student, okay? Good. Anything you guys want me to cover in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from, okay? If you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you want anything driving related, is the best channel for you. You can subscribe and also hit the notification icon, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified, all right? And this channel here, we cover everything driving. If you need anything with driving related, feel free to check us out. Okay, coming up to a traffic stop. When you stop, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you covering the cover on the ground. If not, you follow too closely, all right? And on your driving, you got both hands on the steering wheel, 9 and 3, all right, until you pass your road test. However, when you're driving by yourself on the regular, you can have your hands all over how you want it to be. It's not a problem, but for the purpose of the road test, you want to keep it at 9 and 3. Within that 10 minutes, your road test going to be. Remember, the test only 10 minutes. It's not what we want to do. It's what they want us to do to pass the test. When you're doing that, it changes everything for you here, okay? And here at Pierre Driving School, we definitely help you with all of those things, okay? I would just want you to understand that driving requires some strong responsibility. It is your duty to make sure that you educate yourself as much as you can in any shape or form for when those circumstances are arising, so you can deliver to the best of your ability. Because you and I thinking is the right decision to do when certain thing are happening, it may not be the right thing. Can you imagine if we do not know what we're doing? It may matter or even worse, okay? We're driving on the 2-lane street here, one left, one right. We're keeping within the middle. We don't want to keep drifting off too much, then it will be problem, okay? You don't want to be drifting off too much, then it will be problem. As I'm driving here, paying full attention to what's going on ahead of me, forward planning all your moves, okay? You do not want to have to make sudden stops. Well, you could have seen what's coming up ahead and preparing yourself accordingly, all right? Remember the worst thing you wanted to do is for you to have to abrupt the car or make it harsh stops when you're doing your road test. It's okay if need be. If you can avoid it, you could. If you could have avoided, you didn't because you weren't paying attention to much traffic, then it becomes another problem, okay? Slowing down. Okay, stop right here at the stop right over here. There you go. All right, good. It ain't no rush. Before you fully engage the accelerator, before you fully engage the accelerator, you're gonna make sure that you squeeze the quick to the left and to the right. Nothing is coming behind on your side. Then you fully engage the accelerator. Never accelerate without having a full clearance, knowing that all your surroundings is safe. All right. Whenever you're gonna hit the brake, always take a quick glance at the inside of your mirror to see how the traffic is moving behind you, all right? Okay, pushing up. It take a quick second. As I'm taking my foot off the brake, reaching for the accelerator, it takes me a quick second to verify those corners, all right? It doesn't take long, all right? The car in front of me is dead wrong. You cannot be all the way out on the crosswalk like this. Is not acceptable. But hey, people do whatever they think they wanted to do until otherwise happen. The police give them a ticket. See this car here, all the traffic is all messed up. Signal my attention out to the left right quick. Mirror left, shoulder left, and bring it right back. Mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it right back, you see? Student must always beware on the right side of the road. Whenever I get clear, I'm gonna signal to my right, mirror right, shoulder right, bring it over. See folks? The road was 1-lane street, split onto 2-lane by yourself. You move over to your right side. That's what you want. The examiner will not tell you to move over to your right, then it becomes a problem. If they have to tell you to move over to your right, it's not a road test anymore, it's a driving lesson, then you're definitely not going with the license, all right? You have to deliver to the highest of your performance, all right? Always on your P's and Q's, always do what you have to do within that 10 minutes that you're doing the road test. Do not leave anything to chance. Everything you're there for you to do what you have to do. If you do not know what to do, however, never do anything that extra thinking that you're gonna intimidate the examiner, because it's really not gonna work in your favor. It's not thing that you wanted to do, all right? You've always wanted to be focused within that 10 minutes and do only what you're told to do, nothing extra. You see, before I completely accelerate, I check both of my corners right quick, all right? Keeping it going here, keep it on my right side. As we always to be, as student, always cover your right side. Always be on your right side when you're driving for the purpose of road test, all right? See, moving within this traffic, pay good attention on both directions. As I'm coming ahead, I see traffic kind of merging up with me with the bus line and all this extra jazz. I'm gonna come off the bus line. See, do the quick adjustment here, because it was a 2-lane split onto a 3-lane on the bus lane, okay? Always looking ahead, see what's going on, see what your options are, all right? Yep. Been here with Pierre Driving School. Anything driving related, put in the comment below. Anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. That's where we got most of our video topic coming from. We're doing this for you guys to make sure that we can answer all the questions that you have. We can know some of those questions. You personally know what question that you have. If you've done your road test already, let me know where did you do your road test and how many times did you do it. I did my 3 times before I finally passed. Why? I thought I know how to drive already. That's when it comes to my understanding. It's not only driving, there is more to it. There is a certain way that they want you to drive. Once I understand that, then on the 3rd time, I finally passed my test. Otherwise, I would keep taking it. Eventually, I probably would have passed it, but I keep doing it too much, all right? But this is the thing that we try to avoid you not to have to go through if you're doing your road test here in the US, all right? Especially your car license, however, okay? So how much I'm checking. Each time anything make me lean a little bit different from how I'm supposed to be going, I make sure that I verify the shoulders, you see? That's right. You rely on the shoulders, folks. Remember that for this driver's test, okay? You rely on those shoulders, you see? Good, good, good. At the light coming up, we're gonna make a right turn, okay? I see if there's a turn signal in, I'm gonna signal to my right, mirror right, shoulder right, go where is dotted, okay guys? Go where is dotted. You cannot go in the solid lane. If you're in the solid lane, then you're late, you cannot take that turn. I'm gonna come here to a complete stop to follow my rules. They're gonna stop honking at me. It says after stop, right turn is permitted on red. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make my turn, okay? Mirror right, shoulder right, and fall right off of the bike lane. All right, folks? All right, following all of the road sign. That's why the road says back there, after stop, right turn is permitted on red. In New York City, you can only turn right on red where it says that, okay? Otherwise, you will be in trouble here. The light coming up, it's already red, covering my brake so I can come to a nice and smooth stop with no excess, okay? Right over here, nice and smooth. Paying good attention before I completely engage the accelerator. Anything in particular, guys, put in the comment below. I will definitely cover those for you guys. See, merging to my left lane. lane change on me, I'm adjusting myself quick. You see ahead what's coming up, we're gonna adjust ourselves for what's coming up ahead. All the way stops are gonna make the single stop where everybody can see everybody. Keeping it going, nothing heavy, nice and smooth. Traffic is moving along. Don't take advantage because traffic is clear. Take it, you can do 40, 50 miles per hour. You cannot. You still have to observe the speed limit. Left turn here, signal the attention. Lean my car more towards the left so no cars can fit on that side. Gonna come to a complete stop, okay, where everybody can see everybody. You will left, shoulder left, and go with my turn and follow in on the right side of the wood without touching the yellow line. These are the level of delivery, guys, we need to do while we're doing our test here, right? Anything you want me to know in particular, put in the comment below. Until then, keep practicing here, folks. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.